This is the Rajagopuram of Swami Malai Subramanyeswara temple, one of the fourth in order of Arupadai Veedu. At the entrance we can see Lord Ganesh, the Vignadipati. So he is Lord Ganesh at the entrance of Swami Malai Subramanyeswara temple, the big brother of Lord Subramanya, along with his vehicle Rat, sitting on his vehicle Ganapati at the entrance of Swami Malai temple. This is Swami Malai Kshetram in Tamil Nadu. This is one of the Arupadai Veedu in Tamil Nadu. So this is the premises of Arupadai Veedu. Swami Malai, one of the Arupadai Veedu. First one is Tripuran Kundram. The second one is Tiruchendur. Third one is Palani. Fourth one is Swami Malai, this temple. Fifth one is Tirutani. Sixth one is Palamutir Cholai. So these are very sacred and Swayambhu of Lord Subramanya along with his wives Srivalli Devasena. So this is the temple premises of Swami Malai. I am fortunate enough to visit this temple again and again. Last year in 2023 I visited in January, February. This time I am visiting in 24 March. So this is the entrance for the restaurant. Well maintained. See, we can see everything made of clay. The horses, everything. Here we can see directly artisan giving the final touches, giving painting. He is doing paint. He is doing painting to this beautiful woman sitting on a divan cot. Your name?
Muthu.
Muthu. He is Muthu, an artist. So just he is giving the final touches. He is coloring. Mr. Muthu. And here we can see Garukmantadu. He is Garukumanta.
சாப்பிடுவீங்களா? நாலுல இருந்து அந்த இடத்துக்கு வந்து நம்ம ஏரியாவுக்கு நீல இருந்து ஆர்டர் போட்டுருக்காங்க.
This is Indigo, Swami Malai Indigo. This is a resort very near to Swami Malai temple, full of naturality, maintained in a peaceful manner, a natural habitat. Everything is heritage point of view. See, this is we have heritage building. So this is Swami Malai Indigo resort. It's a 4-star resort, very near to the temple. Here we can see small cannons. So a lot of heritage property we can see here. These are all vintage cars. You can have a look. So this is on the way to the restaurant, and here we can see a big elephant, just looking like a natural elephant, a lively elephant. Very nice place to visit. And here we have a pure vegetarian restaurant. Here we can see the olden days, the boilers. These are the boilers. Olden days they used to heat water in these boilers. Here we can see a snake type of hanging. So this is one of the chariot, the horse buggy, which was in use maybe 100 years ago. So here they have preserved this old age transport vehicles. I think he is the owner of this property, T.K. Rangarao. They are staying in this their ancestral property. So this is their pick. Gandhi Mahatma. Gandhi Mahatma. So this is Indico. So this is the restaurant in this resort. Well maintained. Everything is natural. With lot of, this is Tanjore paintings. Here we can see Tanjore paintings. Rukmini, Satyabhama, Saita, Sri Krishna. These are all Tanjore paintings. Here we can see the Tatreya. Here we can see Kubera. Here we can see Parvati Parameshwara on bull. So these are all Tanjore paintings. And here we can see Lord Nataraja, Tanjore paintings. Below we can see Parameshwara with Goddess Parvati sitting on his left thigh, Ardhanarishwara. And here we can see a beautiful picture of Kanchi Paramacharya, His Holiness Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal, lively picture of Kanchi Paramacharya. And here we can see the Raja, Mysore Raja. Here we can see the sun god in his chariot of 7 horses. Made with clay. The sun god, Surya Narayana Murti. This is the entrance of the restaurant. There's a male and a female. And here we can see a beautiful chariot made of rosewood. Just resembling a Puri Jagannath chariot. You can see here Sri Krishna, Balabhadra and Balarama. So beautiful chariot made of rosewood. Have a look of this. This is a horse buggy. Olden days they used to use this for transportation, and these are some of the vintage cars. A good collection of vintage cars. This is a small tractor. So a lot of good collection is here. A beautiful place. So this is also a vintage car. Austin. Very beautiful resort to spend valuable time and also leisure time.